Hey, welcome back to MTG Cards and Reviews, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Chris. Got 3 final packs that we're going to open up here for Crimson Vows set booster. And then we will go ahead and move on to doing probably another box of something, though. Or some individual packs. And we'll see what we do here. Alright. We're going to go ahead and crack into these packs though, and basically then we will go ahead and see what we've got to. Alright, so art card. There is our lovely swamp. We've got a gluttonous guest, followed by the belligerent guest, blood petal celebrant. There is our courier bat, vampire's vengeance, and then we've got a dread fuge, right? The fearful villager, and we've got a ragged recluse, or ragged recluse, and we've got the skulking killer, and we've got a rare here. We've got the blood vial purveyor. And we've got a Stitched Assistant as our final card in the foil, and then our token. Alright. Well, next pack. Let's see what we get in here though. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and open this up though. Or I should say we've already opened it up. We've got our art card. And then our lands. Now we got Aim for the Head. And then we've got our next card here, which is going to be the Undying Malice. Rot-Tide Gargantuan. And Zombie Kraken. The Persistent Specimen. Geist Light Snare, and a Whispering Wizard, Voltaic Visionary, and followed by our belligerent guest, and then we've got our blood crazed socialite. And we've got Edgar, Charmed Groom, as our rare. Right? And then we've got the Lantern Bearer in foil, and we've got the token in the back. Alright, last pack. And then we will be done with this set booster pack box. Alright. There is our, wow, that is our art card. That is, oh, okay, what is that? By invitation only is our art card, okay. That is an interesting art card. There is our Forest, right? And the Unholy Efficient. A Traveling Minister, the Heroine of Hope, right, Sanguine Statuette, followed by a Blood Tithe Harvester, and then our Drogskull Infantry, and next we've got the Belligerent Guest again, make an appearance. Got a rare here, we've got our Doom Weaver, Spider Whore. Wow, a 1/8. So, it has reach, Spellbond. As long as Doom Weaver is paired with another creature, each of those creatures has, whenever this creature dies, draw a card equal to its power. Soulbond. You may pair this creature with another unpaired creature when either enters the battlefield. They remain paired for as long as you control them both. Okay. And we got a mythic. What do we get here? We've got Streffen Marur Progenitor. Okay. And we got another rare here. Alana and Alina, partners. Nice way to finish out this set, though. We got a Mind Leech Ghoul in foil. And we've got, we got a list card. We've got Night and Day as our list card, though. Okay. Oh, hey. I'm not a big fan of basically the dual cards like this, though. When they first came out, every time I've seen them, it really is not something that I found very interesting, though, because it created to me basically a unnecessary use or challenge, I guess, from the standpoint of basically, doing, a way you can make a card, 2 cards in one, though, and not have to print 2 cards, though. Sure. But, yeah, okay, so basically these are instants. You can either do the night, target creature gets -1/-1 until end of turn, or the day, creature's target player controls gets +1/+1 until end of turn. Alright, well, hey, I am going to not complain. Got a list card at the end, though, along with the other cards, though, so appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for watching this with me. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, leave a comment, though, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. And hey, have a great day.